Welcome to this guided meditation aimed at reducing work-related stress. In a world that moves at a breakneck pace, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Our work lives can often add to this pressure, leading to anxiety and stress. But what if you could manage this stress better? This is where guided meditation comes in. It's a simple practice that harnesses the power of mindfulness and presence. It encourages you to focus on the here and now, rather than getting lost in worries about the past or the future. By learning to be present, we can navigate through our work week with calm and poise, effectively managing and reducing stress levels. So whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious newcomer, this guided meditation is designed to help you find that inner tranquility. In the next few minutes, you will embark on a journey to find peace and calm within yourself. Before we begin, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a cozy chair. Once you've found your spot, sit comfortably. Keep your back straight, but not stiff. Allow your feet to rest flat on the floor, grounding you in the space. Rest your hands gently on your lap, palms facing upward in a gesture of receiving. Now, close your eyes. Let the world outside fade away. Take a moment to settle in, to connect with your surroundings. Feel the weight of your body against the chair, the floor beneath your feet, the air brushing against your skin. You are here, in this moment, fully present and ready to embark on this journey inward. Now that you are comfortable, we will begin with some deep, calming breaths. Scene script. Start by taking a deep breath in, hold for a moment, then exhale slowly. As you breathe in, visualize the air filling your lungs, nourishing every cell in your body. As you breathe out, imagine all the stress and tension leaving your body with your breath. This is the essence of deep breathing, a powerful tool that can help you reduce anxiety and find calm in moments of stress. Now, let's deepen this practice. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Feel your chest and abdomen rise as the air enters your body. Hold this breath for a count of 3. Now, slowly release the breath through your mouth, feeling your chest and abdomen fall. Repeat this process a few more times. With each inhale, imagine a wave of tranquility washing over you, calming your mind and soothing your body. With each exhale, visualize any tension or anxiety being released and carried away. Next, we'll explore a technique called equal breathing. This involves inhaling and exhaling for the same amount of time. Start by inhaling for a count of 4, then exhale for a count of 4. As you get more comfortable with this practice, you can gradually increase the count to 6 or even 8. Equal breathing can help create a sense of balance and harmony, as it requires you to focus your mind on your breath, creating a healthy diversion from any stressful thoughts or worries. Lastly, we'll try a technique known as box breathing. This involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and again holding your breath, each for the same count. Start with a count of 4 for each segment. Box breathing is particularly effective in calming your mind, as it requires a higher level of focus, thus helping you to better manage stress and anxiety. Remember, the key to successful meditation is consistency. The more you practice, the more natural these breathing techniques will become, and the more benefits you'll reap. So keep practicing, and let your breath be your guide on this journey towards peace and tranquility. Feel the calmness wash over you with each breath you take. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place, perhaps a beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore. Let's embark on a journey of the mind, a journey to a place that is completely yours, a sanctuary where stress and anxiety cannot reach. Picture this place vividly in your mind. It could be a serene beach with white sand and turquoise water, a quiet forest with towering trees and a babbling brook, or even just a cozy nook in your favorite coffee shop. This place is yours, and yours alone. It is a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and completely at ease. As you enter this place, take note of everything around you. What do you see? Are there any distinctive colors or shapes that catch your eye? Try to paint a detailed picture in your mind. Let your imagination run wild and fill in every little detail. Now, what do you hear? Are there any sounds that capture your attention? Maybe it's the gentle rustling of leaves, the rhythmic crashing of waves, or the soft hum of a bustling city. Whatever it is, let these sounds wash over you, filling your mind with a soothing symphony of tranquility. Next, let's focus on the sense of touch. What can you feel? Is it the warmth of the sun on your skin, the cool breeze brushing against your face, or the soft fabric of a comfy chair? Feel these sensations as vividly as you can, Let them ground you in this peaceful place. Now, take a moment to breathe in deeply. What do you smell? Is it the salty sea air, the earthy aroma of a forest, or the rich scent of freshly brewed coffee? These scents can further enhance the sense of calm and peace in your sanctuary. Finally, imagine the taste. It could be the salty breeze of the sea, the refreshing taste of mountain air, or the sweet sip of your favorite beverage. Let these flavors linger on your tongue, adding another layer to your tranquil retreat. Now that you've filled in all the senses, take a moment to just be. Be present in your peaceful place. Let yourself soak in the tranquility, the calmness, and the peace. Let any lingering stress or anxiety melt away, replaced by a sense of serenity and contentment. In this place, you are free from the pressures and stresses of the outside world. You are at peace, you are calm, and you are in control. Remember, this place is always within your reach, just a few deep breaths and a bit of imagination away. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to forget that we all have this sanctuary within us. It's a place where we can retreat to when everything gets too overwhelming. It's a place where we can recharge, refocus, and rejuvenate. Feel the peace and tranquility of this place seep into you. And remember, you can return to this place anytime you need a break from the world. This is your sanctuary, your peaceful place. Embrace it, cherish it, and let it guide you towards a more peaceful and stress-free life. As we near the end of this meditation, carry this feeling of peace and calm with you. Feel the sense of tranquility enveloping you, like a soft, comforting blanket. This peaceful state is not just a fleeting moment, but a space of serenity you can return to anytime you wish. Now, gently start to bring your attention back to the world around you. Feel the surface beneath you, grounding you, connecting you to the earth. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin. Perhaps you can sense the faint rustle of leaves outside, or the distant hum of life going on around you. As you do this, remember the calmness you've cultivated in this meditation. The serenity you've found is not confined to this moment. It is a reservoir of peace within you, always accessible, always waiting for you to tap into. Think of this inner tranquility as a sanctuary where you can retreat to when the world seems overwhelming. A sanctuary where you can find respite from the pressures of work or any stressful situation that may arise. Remember the breathing techniques we practiced. Remember how each breath helped you dive deeper into a state of calm. You can use this simple yet powerful tool anytime you need to bring yourself back to this sanctuary of peace. Consider the visualization we explored, the serene landscape you painted in your mind, the feelings of tranquility it evoked. This place too is within your reach whenever you need a moment of calm. As you go about your day, remember this feeling of peace. Carry it with you like a protective shield, buffering you against the stresses of daily life. Let it infuse your actions, your thoughts, your interactions. Now let's take one last deep breath, as if to seal this calmness within us. Breathe in serenity, breathe out any remaining tension. Take one last deep breath, open your eyes, and return to your day, carrying this calmness with you. Congratulations on completing this guided meditation. Your journey towards peace and tranquility has just begun. Each breath you take is a step towards a more serene and stress-free life. The techniques you've learned today are tools you can use anytime, anywhere. The power to calm your mind and reduce your work-related stress lies within you. The more you practice, the more you'll experience the benefits of meditation. Your mind will become clearer, your thoughts will slow down, and a sense of calm will wash over you like waves upon a shore. Remember, it's perfectly normal to experience distractions during meditation. When this happens, gently bring your focus back to your breath or visualization. It's all part of the journey. Thank you for watching this meditation video. Remember, peace and calm are always within your reach. Until next time, stay serene and stress-free.